Find the derivative of y is equals to the natural log of 2x squared all over the square root of x plus 1. To solve this question, the first step is to decompose this. Probably you have not watched my video on how to decompose a complex natural logarithmic function. You can proceed back to the channel and watch the video. Now let's solve. Don't forget that if we have natural log of a all over b is equals to the natural log of a minus the natural log of b. Okay, we are still going to use the same step in this place. So for this, I'm going to have y is equals to the natural log of 2x squared minus the natural log of the square root of x plus 1. Let us proceed. This can also be written as y is equals to natural log of 2x squared minus the natural log of, don't forget that this is root of x plus 1. So I can write it as this, x plus 1 all over, you understand? That is, when I have x raised to the power of square root of x is the same thing as what? X raised to the power of what? 1 over 2. You understand? So that is what I did here. Now let us proceed. Don't forget, according to logarithmic differentiation, if I have y is equals to natural log of u, if I want to take the derivative of this function, the derivative of y, which is dy all over the u, is equals to what? 1 all over u multiplied by the derivative of u. You understand? We are still going to use the same approach. I want you to master this formula. I want you to master it. I want to master this. You understand? So let us proceed. Let us differentiate natural log of 2x squared first. You understand? So I'm going to have the derivative of y. This sign also means the derivative of y. I don't want to write it in full. That's why I put it here. So let us proceed. Don't forget, this is also this is related to this. So I'm going to have, if I want to take the derivative of ln 2x squared, I'm going to take the inverse of the inner function, which is what? 2x squared. So I'm going to have 1 over 2x squared multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. Are you getting it? First, I'm going to take the inverse. Are you getting it? 1 over u, that is 1 over 2x squared, multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. The inner function is still what? 2x squared. So the derivative of 2x squared, according to the power rule, is 4x. So multiply by 4x minus, okay, now if you look at this, I have natural log of x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over 2. According to the rule of logarithm, if I have natural log of a raised to the power of b, it can be written as this, b ln a. You understand? Probably if you have not watched my video on how to decompose a complex natural logarithmic function, you can proceed back to the channel and watch the video. There I simplify this. So all we are doing now is that we are reducing it and differentiating this function. Okay, now let us use the same approach in this place. So for this, I'm going to have the 1 over 2 natural log, now, 1 over 2. Now let us take the derivative of this. I'm going to take the derivative of this. For this, I'm going to take the derivative of x plus 1. If I want to take the derivative of, let me write it out, ln x plus 1. I think you are getting it. I just move this power to this place. I just move this power, I move it to the front, to the coefficient of, I multiply with the coefficient of ln. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I've just done. So, and I bring it, I want to differentiate this ln x plus 1. Okay, now, using the same approach, we are going to take the inverse of the inner function. The inverse of the inner function is what? 1 over what? X plus 1. X plus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the inner function. If you differentiate x plus 1, you are going to get 1. So multiply by 1. So 1 over x plus 1 multiplied by 1. That is also what? 1 over x plus 1. So I'm going to have for this 1 over x plus 1. Okay. Now let us proceed. The derivative of y is equals to 4x all over 2x squared. 4x all over 2x squared minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over x plus 1. That is 1 all over 2x plus 2. Okay, what's next? I can reduce this, or I can also take the ACM depending on what you want to do. You understand what I'm saying? So for me, I'm just going to leave my answer like this, but you can proceed to solve. I've already reduced it. You can solve you can simplify this further. You understand what I'm saying? So the derivative of y is equals to the natural log of 2x squared all over the square root of x plus 1 is what? 4x all over 2x squared minus 1 over 2x plus 2. Thank you very much.